3 hours away from home, I found newness, refreshing air, and new possibilities to enjoy local historical places like that mold. We decided very spontaneously to go there, but it was really worth it. I found myself feeling far away from my worries, my fears. My camera had to come with me, of course. I decided to take some landscape images, something I really suck at. But somehow this time I kind of found a way to enjoy it and see the meaning and the beauty in it. We made a couple of sandwiches for the 2 days. Of course, every day new sandwiches, so that we didn't have to worry about food on the walks when we wanted to rest whenever we needed. One stop of our hiking tour was the Externsteine. In Wikipedia, the place is described as: the Externsteine is a distinctive sandstone rock formation located in the Teutoburger Forest, near the town of Hornbad Meinberg in the Lippe district of German state of North Rhine-Westphalia. The formation is tall, consisting of several tall, narrow columns of rock, which rise abruptly from the surrounding wooded hills. The text of Wikipedia kind of describes what you can see there, but if you're interested, I will link it below for you to research it. But nonetheless, it was really impressive to see the Externsteine, especially after we went to the museum and figured out that in between the Externsteine there used to be a train going through it, and those Externsteine kind of looks like they're about to collapse, so it is really impressive. Sometimes taking the photographs made me slow down, to enjoy my surroundings, to see little things, but it also helped me to embrace the long walks, the actual journey, and to find motivation and rest when my legs would get tired. We hiked for 2 days, staying at an Airbnb, enjoying the most energizing sun and refreshing rain. There was lots of space and not really much going on, so we could really enjoy and embrace the walks as well as the monument that came on our way and the little moments that came our way as well. At one point we found this beautiful waterfall thingy, but unfortunately I couldn't really find what it was or who it was for. But yeah, we found quite nice things on the way, like these beautiful flowers growing in the middle of the forest that gave it quite a magical fairy tale type of vibe when you were walking through it. So I definitely needed to take like a very cliche beautiful flower image as well, because why not? The great thing about the walk was the smell of the forest. It smelled just amazingly fresh, natural, and just very sweet. Nothing I would have been expecting around this time. I was not expecting anything, and I think that really made the journey as beautiful as it actually was. We also walked a little bit through the streets and saw beautiful houses. So again, nothing I really normally do, but I'm really pleased with this image I took on the walk back home. So we've reached the end of the video and I hope you really enjoyed it, and as usual, if you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment and tell me if you're planning any local journeys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.